This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS application.
Hello everyone and welcome to the new video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress, and today we are going to explore a plugin called Advanced Product Labels. By using this plugin, you can add different kind of labels to your product easily. So let's see how it is done. For that, we have to go to Plugins and click on Add New. And search for product labels. After that, see for advanced product labels for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now, and after installing, click on Activate. After activation, you will see it in 𝗀𝗃𝗃. So if you click on it, you will see a debug mode, enable debug mode option, save changes, and check error with the advanced product labels. And next, when you click on advanced labels, here you can create your own label by clicking on add label. So now here you can create your own label, and on this side of the page preview, you will see the label how it looks like. So let's try to create a label with a title like new discount. So here you can choose the condition, either it will be on specific products, so you have to type the 3 characters of the products like neck. It will show me neck t-shirts or v-neck t-shirts. So for example, if I choose on sale, then this discount label will be applied to all the on sale items. So next is general settings. So you can choose which type of content it is. So we'll go with discount percentage. You can add a text before and text after. We'll use a minus symbol. You can change how it looks and it will show up here. After that, we move to styles. You can choose its background color, its font color, its font family, its size, height, width, anything you want. So to give it some curves, you can increase its radius. And next is position, where you want it. So on left, you can change the line number. Next it is padding and margin, where it should be. You can decide by giving it some padding, margin or Z index. Next is the tooltip. You can type in anything, and if it's a warning, if label has a link, tooltip will always open on hover. Otherwise, you can give it as a click to open. So tooltip glossary is a plugin that I have installed. That's why it's showing up here. Next is custom CSS. So you can type in, if you know coding and you know how to design with CSS, then you can type in your own code here for different blocks. And after saving it, you can see it on the products. Like I have applied it on sale products. So if I go to my store and check out my shop page, so on the sale products, I can see the discount percentage. So it offers condition like these: product type, product ratings, features, and even on category. You can show different kind of banners, for example, where the product is made or what's its quality, how much is the discount, and whether it's on sale or not. New, open, offers. You can show all the using this plugin. So let's try to add a new discount, a new label. You have to click on add label again. Let's name it as limited period offer. We will give it to some specific products. So for that we have to provide the product name. This one, and I can add one more like anything from here, belt. Here I can choose the content type again. So I'll go with stock status. So if I have put it in the stock of these items, it will show up here. Let's go with the text and limited stocks. We can change its styling also and its position. You can either choose on label or on image. You can tick or uncheck this better position option. You can choose this line position again, same as before. We can give it some padding, some margin for top. Let's get it to our right. So this will be good. And after that, click on save. And now if I refresh my page, I will see that label added here again. So I can add multiple labels on the same product and it will overlap, of course. So I have to choose where to show them. That's it for this video. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to Educate WordPress.